Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Before we even begin, Camões Park is down that way, and then there's all these signs for tourists. Santo Antonio's Church, St. Anthony's Church, Camões Garden, they're both that way, just really, really close. Before we go down our Target Street, which is right here, this little alley called Travessa, down Mosca. You can see. To duck down to get in there. We are in Macau. We're going to be going behind this this particular street. Sorry, let's kind of letting people go by. So there's a little alley behind this building right here. So we're going to be going down that one and show you what it looks like. And I think it's called Mosca, which is an interesting name. Sounds like maybe Portuguese for Moscow? I don't know. We'll find out. And just to kind of give you some reference, this is one of the few bowling alley, skating rinks in Macau. And we're kind of on this nice black and white tiled sidewalk with Camões Park right over there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay. So we're going to be walking this way, cross this crosswalk, and then go down and then go behind a little bit. So this crosswalk will be the first start. Now we go across. Before we even begin, Camões Park is down that way, and then there's all these signs for tourists. Santo Antonio's Church, St. Anthony's Church, Camões Garden, they're both that way, just really, really close. There's a temple right over here that's also beautiful. And St. Paul Ruins and the fire department. At least it's down this street. I think Sao Paulo Ruins is actually, it's actually over on this other side. So we are going to go behind this building right here. Try to give you some context to where we are before we go down our Target Street, which is right here, this little alley called Travessa, down Mosca. And it's kind of interesting looking building like that, right? Didn't really notice that building. There's like these narrow windows right there as well. Okay, so we're gonna be walking down Mosca. Man, look at that. That looks super cool or what? Okay, so here we go, going down Mosca Street in Macau. We're really close to Sao Paulo's, to Camões and St. Anthony's Church for references. That leads right into that other street. Right over there is a, it depends on how I do this. I might actually go over there to that, we'll see what the street looks like. I might deviate and show you a little bit more things. There's actually a stairwell in there. It's one crazy looking building. Look how small the door is. You can see to duck down to get in there. Okay. So we're gonna walk in this little Mosca lane. Travessa de Mosca. Looks like we have a little square here of a stela, the Cell and Mosca are pedestrian streets. Looks like there was a building right there that was torn down. Mosca. So let's keep on moving down. So I think Mosca is going to end right about here. There's another little small street right over there. So it's just this little corner of streets, including Mosca. And I'm just gonna walk up just for a moment because I'm kind of curious. I don't think I've really filmed, I haven't filmed Mosca. I don't think I filmed Kolar either. Yeah, it's so small. I have filmed, pretty sure I filmed Rosa though. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to, yeah, I have filmed Rosa. Rosa goes straight across and goes down, and I do remember filming that space before. And she got a little table there too. So that's Mosca right there. And there's a nice balcony. I'm just gonna come up here real quick, and I think what I might, well, I can't go in. There's a roller rink in the bowling alley. I can't bring the camera in, but I'll give you some context to where we are. But the bowling alley is right over there. Then this temple is pretty cool as well. And Camoish Park and St. Anthony's is straight up that way, and then the fire museum is straight up, is over that way. And on that note, we're gonna end it for Mosca. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.